Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. It's a shop tour today. It's going to be awesome. We've got a huge variety going on in the shop. I want to tell you a few things. We're going to walk around. We're going to look at a GT500, factory 5 Cobra kit car, some Coyote swaps, and a 3-valve swap of all things, and an F100. But it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to talk about an engine that we thought was failed, but it wasn't. Really good news for that client. But hey, I'm Brent. If you haven't, please subscribe and notify us. Stay up to date. We have really cool dyno videos, but today's not about dynoing. It's about seeing what is going on in the shop. So I have Doug with me. Let's go take a little tour around the shop today, see what we have going on every day. The inventory inside this building changes, but it's pretty awesome. So here, what do we have here today? GT500. I love GT500. It's one of my all-time favorite cars. This car was built a long time ago for a prior owner, and the current owner that owns it brought it in. We're going to do some bare brake upgrades. We're going to do a bunch of suspension, and it has the TVS, the SVT, the 2.3. So on the 13, 14 GT500s, this was factory. So back in the day, we installed it on this. I really wish these are still available, you know, from Ford Racing, because we did a bunch of them. It's really inexpensive way to go up over 600 row horsepower. But right now we use something like the VMP supercharger, which works great. But you know, a car like this lays down over 600. We did the JLT, you know, you do colder spark plugs, but today it's in for some suspension. But hey, still a great looking engine compartment. We did this a long time ago, but we're doing a Watts link from Cortex, so that'll be awesome, along with the bare brakes. So you got the power, you need a stop, you need a handle. That's what's going on with that right there. Check this out, Doug. We will go look at the interior too. We did not build this. This came in for a little bit of work. It's a factory 5 Cobra kit car. But what do I love about it? Gen 2 Coyote swap. Doug, just if you haven't, take a little peek at the interior. I think that's awesome. It's a really cool car. It looks like it was put together pretty well, but the owner brought it in just to get a couple things on it touched up, and that's what we're doing. But look at this. Look at this right here. How sweet does that look? It fits awesome. So if you're into these kit cars, factory 5s, pretty much the way to go on these. And they have the platform to fit the Coyote. We have the Gen 2 and that right there. Now we're going to take a walk around. We're going to look at a 3-valve, you know, Bullitt. Doug, follow me. I'm going to go right through here. Edelbrock Supercharged. This is really popular on the Bullets. This car is bone stock. So this car came in basically stock, and we installed our Edelbrock E4 supercharger package. If you have a 3-valve Mustang, you see these on our website. We do a lot of Novi 2200 intercools. We do our packs and throwbacks, do a ton of those. But if you're interested in that instant boost on a 3-valve, the Edelbrock is the way to go. It's a 2.3 liter supercharger, and you get the air induction system, you get the colder spark plugs, you get a fuel pump upgrade, you get the proper calibration. We can ship these right to your door, but we build a lot of these here at Brenspeed. And the reason Bullitt, you know, they love these, factory strut tower brace. This is number 1898, so that's awesome. You can keep the factory strut tower brace. It goes right over the Edelbrock supercharger. But when you go wide open throttle, you are gonna have instant torque. I'm probably gonna do a video on this specific car right here. And hey, maybe some of the cars you see that we're walking around looking at, maybe you've already seen me do a video on them this week, or a lot of them you might see me do a video in the future, and that's why you should subscribe, hit notify. Doug, we're gonna cut, trying not to trip anything, we're gonna cut back through here. Check out this Cobra. So I know a lot of you out there love Cobras. I don't mean GT500 Cobras. Check this out. So this particular client also owns a GT500, and I did a video on this car a long time ago. It's a badass car. It makes a lot of horsepower, a lot of torque, but he called and he's like, man, I think I smoked my engine. Because you know what? That can happen. But he didn't. So it came in with a dead cylinder. It was really running rough. Air fuel's all over the board. But you know, we did a lot of diagnosis on this car. But what turned out was a wire to his coil pack was not working properly. So we did some resoldering on that, and car runs smooth as silk. So we do diagnosis here at Brenspeed, But what's really cool about this, you know, it's Kenny Bell Supercharged, but he was thinking, dang, I'm gonna have to buy an engine. When this happened, this came in right before Labor Day, and we were working on it the Friday before Labor Day, you know, 3-day weekend, and Dom figured that out, that hey, this doesn't have a bad engine, you know, through the diagnosis, just a, you know, coil pack issue, solved it. I was like, man, we got to send him an email, let him know, so he can like basically party all weekend and enjoy himself, knowing I'm going to have an investment on putting a new engine in this. So that's good news, because sometimes it's not always good news. We do run into that, but it worked out really well for this guy right here. Next up, 65 Mustang Coyote swap. Let's go over here and take a look at that. They're going to work our way in a dyno cell, look at a couple other cool things. So we do a lot of Coyote swaps here at Brenspeed. I mean, that's one of the things we're known for. 65, really cool car. Don't worry, you will see a video on this. I will go over the whole build. It's in progress right now. This is kind of like our more long-term build area in this side of the building. It's just cars that aren't getting done in 1 or 2 days. And we've already installed some mini tubs. Don't worry, you'll see, and underneath, you will see a long video on this car, so you can see exactly what we did to it. But we've been doing suspension, rear end, some mini tubs in it. We're gonna do some interior work, some gauges, but let's look under the hood, Doug. Obviously not finished, but the big thing, Gen 3 Coyote. So what are we doing in this? Gen 3 Coyote, 10-speed automatic. That's the recipe for this right here. And it'll have AC. It'll have all the comforts of everything like that. But it looks right at home in this. You know, Coyote swaps are cool. You know, you do the Gen 3, you can do a manual, or you know, a lot of people are doing the 10-speed automatic. But that's what's going on this right here. He wanted the automatic. I want to walk around outside of this, Doug, and then I want to open up a box for another Gen 3 that came in for a car that's getting dropped off this weekend, and then go show you a 60 F100 in the dyno cell. So follow me over here. You can peek in here. I mean, it's tore apart. You know, obviously this car is not finished, but you can see we've got everything up on the dash shot. We have all the wiring out. And it'll have an awesome instrument cluster in it. You know, everything will work. We'll be able to, you know, see the speed, see the engine coolant temp, like see everything you want to see. Follow me over here. What's it look like when you buy one of these? You may hear about them if you love swaps. The Ford Racing, you know, full-blown engine deal. You get the Gen 3 Coyote, 10-speed auto. You get a wiring harness. Well, this is just how big the box the engine comes in. So this one just came in right here. So check out, here's the part number. And I will put a link in the description on our Coyote swaps that you can click on and read, you know, what's this cost. But it says auto because this does come with a 10-speed auto. Now that's in the other side, that's in the warehouse. You won't be able to see that. But you open these up, when you get them, they pack them awesome. It's basically like an engine that's coming right off the assembly line. And then it's just a big backed up Gen 3 Coyote right there. But awesome crate they ship it in, super safe. So when you order one of these, you need some room because this is what you're going to be getting. But I think it's pretty sweet. They did a good job packing it. I always love getting these things in. Put that up right there. That's a client's name that's getting this. This is going in a 96 Cobra. So you will see a video on that in the future. You don't see a lot of those. 96 Cobra coming in. Gen 3 swap with the 10-speed automatic. And he'll get all the, you know, AC and everything. This is our dyno cell. We call it the cell. So I did a video on this truck yesterday. You may have watched it, maybe not. And hey, if you didn't and you're watching the shop tour, subscribe and notify, because that's how you're gonna always stay up to date on cool things. We love F100s. I have a lot of F100 videos of builds we've done, but this is actually a 3-valve swap. And honestly, as much as I love Coyote swaps, this is one of my all-time favorite F100s, because this client did buy this truck, I think already built, is the story. I believe that's what happened. But it looks like someone probably painted it themselves, which I'm cool with that, because you're not gonna be scared if you get a rock trip. I mean, we have some vehicles come in and the paint jobs are like $15,000, let's say, and you're almost scared to drive it. I wouldn't be afraid to drive the truck wherever, but we should show the engine, Doug. Let's go over here. 3-valve Mustang, built a long time ago. M90 supercharger. From what I can tell from the work that we did, came in already built. We just did cams and tuning on it and a pulley swap. It's a 2010 computer, an 09 or 10 engine. It's definitely an 05 or 09 M90 supercharger because the 10 M90, the inlet comes off the other side. So it's an 05 to 09 M90 on there. I think it made 430 or 440 roll horsepower or something like that. But fun truck. And the reason I love GT500s, 03 Cobras, the M90s on Roushes is they whine. When you hammer it, they whine. And you don't get that out of the new superchargers anymore because they're super efficient. The point is to kind of not get that because of how efficient they are. But you do have to love that sound when you hammer a car down the street. So in the description, I'll put some links to Coyote swaps. We are located in Indiana. A lot of you watch these videos and say, hey, where are you located? And I'm like, you could Google Brenspeed and see we're in Indiana, but that's cool. No big deal. 574-594-9559 is our number. I'll put that in the description. You email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's it cost to get built if you'd like to come here? And most everything you see, not all of it, but a lot of it, we do ship out right to your door because we do have a warehouse here full of parts we can ship to you. But that's it, man. It's a shop tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Subscribe, notify. Thank you.